बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजदा रज़ा। आई एम ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3। My school name is Faiz Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 math, chapter number 4, factorization, exercise 4.3, question number 1, part 4. Also there are some of methods too. We are using the method middle term break method. Also there are types of algebra expression where we are using the type for a bracket ax square plus bx plus c bracket ax square plus bx plus d bracket plus k. Also the book answers and the steps are written. First of all, equate same terms with any variable. Second, put values. T minus 4 plus 15. And now we have done this. Third, multiply both brackets. T will multiply with this plus 4 will multiply with this. Minus 4 plus 4 multiplied by t minus 4 minus 15 t square minus 4 t plus 4t plus minus a minus 4 for the 16 minus 15. Now we have one more possibility too. Here and here. We can cut here and this we can minus a plus, but sign will become minus. So plus minus a minus. Sign will become minus and 1. Here we needed to go ax. We have done this third. Now we are on the fourth. Use a square minus b square is equal to plus b whole square, a plus b and a minus b whole square formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now this t square minus 1 will come as it is equal to bracket t plus 1 t minus 1. Now this bracket done. Fifth, equate back same terms. X square minus 8x plus 1 x square minus 8x minus 1. And it's become your answer. The book answers are written. You can check it. X square minus 8x, x square minus 8x plus 1 plus 1. X square minus 8x, x square minus 8x minus 1 minus 1. Okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.